video, like 4 hours ago. We finished the tribute page. If you don't know what that looks like, we're gonna go to codepen.io. Yep, here's the one. That's the page we built. Yeah, here's a tweak, and it does this thing that got media query. So when it goes beyond, I believe, obviously it says, I believe it's like 800 pixels. Nope, 1100 pixels. It does this thing where we changed the grid layout to be um, content, content, content. So this is going to take the entire 3 columns. When not, that only takes the middle column. So when it's right here, takes that. Anything up to 1100 pixel, then take this much space. That's the thing that we customized. And yeah, this project's done. So that was been submitted. We're now going to go to the build a survey form. That's the second project now. All right, let's see. Build a, all right, survey form, name, email, age. Okay. Comments. All right, this will be fun to build. Fulfill the user stories below and get all tests to pass. Give it your personal style. All right. You can use HTML, JavaScript, CSS to complete this project. Plain CSS is recommended because this is what the lessons have covered so far. You should get some practice with plain CSS. You can use Bootstrap or Sass if you choose. Additional technologies, just for example, jQuery, React, Angular, Vue, are not recommended, and using them is at your own risk. Other projects will give you a chance to work on different technology stacks like React. Excuse me. We will accept and try to fix all issues reported. Okay. So this one has 16 user stories. That's interesting. Alright, fork this one. So I had issues forking it last time, and then apparently there's a button down here. Alright. Whoa. Alright, so free code cam. This is what's it? Build a survey form. Alright, let's save it. Hello camper for now. Yeah, yep. That can go away. Yep. JavaScript. That can go too. We don't need JavaScript because we're not using that right now. Okay, so my thing has always been actually. So the previous one we built it, or I built it, we built it, whatever. By trying to emulate these first and then going back and adding the tags. But actually, this time, let's. I've got an idea. Let's just copy all of these, and I'm gonna add it in. We can make this bigger, right? Yeah. Okay. Gonna paste it in there. Oh wow. Okay. Not good. We'll delete it afterwards. So use story number 1. How do I comment these out? I think it's yeah. Okay. I mean, there's not that many, so let's just quickly comment these out. My mom. There's probably a more efficient way of doing this, but for now, I'm just gonna go. I'm gonna assume this is the way, and then just copy that and add it to the front. All right. Do you know? It probably would make more sense to read the stories and then adding it. But whatever. We'll do that for the next project. Use story name one. I can see a title with ID title. Okay. So add a title. We're gonna create a div. Right, it's gonna be an entire page. And then here we go. Here's another div, and within this is gonna be the header section. Or not header, we're gonna give it a title. So it's an h1. Okay, ID equals title, and it's probably going to be the free code count survey form, right? Let's run the test. 1 out of 10. Look at that. I can see a short explanation with ID description in the p size text. I'm going to assume that is for the second one. It's boom, boom, boom. All right, let's take that one. Use the text is also italicized. Oh, it's in italics, right? Okay. And it wants us to add. Oh, it wants us to add. Yeah, that's hard to do actually. Let's copy paste that. Yeah, once it's past this, I'm just gonna delete. That makes more sense. User rated, I can use a short description explanation with ID equals description and the p tag. ID equals. Is that what they want? Because let's run the test. 1 out of 10. Look. Okay. All right. So we got ID equals description. We do that, but it's not passing the test. Wait, hang on. Why is it testing the tribute page? Tribute page test? No, it's not a tribute page. Oh, survey form, man. 217. There you go. That makes sense now. All right, that one can go. Number 3. Let's do that. I can see a form with ID equals survey form. Alright, now here's the interesting part. Let's add another div for survey. Survey, how do you add a survey? See a form. Is it just form? CSS form. Oh, input type equals text. Okay, so that's how you do it. Yeah, we'll keep it inside a form. Does it actually do anything? Nope. So, input. Okay, great. That is fantastic. What do we need the input to be? Name. Type equals text. Okay. ID equals survey form. Alright, let's do that. ID equals. Maybe I don't need a form. What's that? Is that a thing? Is that even a thing? Form? Forms in HTML. Yeah, form is a thing. Alright, okay. Alright, we'll leave that in there. Oh, because I didn't spell it right. Survey form, not server form. 3 of 17, oh yeah. Okay, output come string someone else. Yeah. Alright, okay. I need to know how to put the name on the left instead of the right, but we will figure that out later. Let's just get this built. Okay, so this is for the name. Let's just put it here, please. So if I'm recording the name, ID equals name. All right. So we need ID equals name. Can do that. ID equals email. Let's copy that in. So it's gonna be the next input field. Let's copy the entire thing. Okay, this could be email. Do I need a break after everything to add it to a new line? I don't know, we'll worry about that later. We'll worry about the design later. So, run tests. Type text ID, email, that should be. Type is email? Is that even a thing? Yeah, okay. Cool. Cool. If I enter an email that is not formatted correctly, I will see an HTML validation error. I have no idea how to do that. Incorrect email HTML validation error. There you go. Type is email placeholder. So, okay, it automatically does it. I mean, I don't know. Alright, we'll come back to that Apparently it does it automatically, but whatever. Enter a number field. Alright, let's get that to the top. If you look at the page itself, email age. Set a number field. I'm guessing that's just a age. Alright. ID equals number. How's that? Oh, look at that. I can go up and down. Does the page have that? The thing doesn't. It's a text field. Oh, I cannot add a text. Gotcha. But I don't want to display the up and down arrows though. HTML number input no arrows. There we go. How do you hide arrows from the number? Moz appearance text field. Dun, dun, dun, dun, dun, dun, bum, bum, bum, bum. WebKit appearance none. Oh, so you need a CSS. Okay. We will come back to that later too. Omar Usta. Hey, what's up, Omar? How's it going, man? Welcome to the stream. I need to create a ping when someone messages me because I can't see it. Good, just couldn't sleep and try to find a code streamer. Hey, cool man. Yeah, it's like 2 a.m. my time too. I'm just learning to code, so I'm going through the free code camp curriculum. This is my second project, and I am building out this form. So I don't know if you're in which language. Well, it's just HTML, CSS right now. I think that's what you're asking. And yeah, I'm trying to basically build this page out completely brand new. I'm googling everything. So yeah, stick around. It'll be fun to learn. Maybe you already know how to code. You can give me some pointers. But yeah, that's what we're doing. I need to figure out how to add a ping when you message me. Preferences, show timestamp. Yeah, just so you can see what I'm doing and not looking my screen up. Basically, every time you message me or someone messages me, I don't hear anything. Do you know what, we're gonna leave that for another time. I am more backend, not deal with JS things before. Okay, it's not even JavaScript, man. This is just basic HTML and CSS. I don't know if you know about Free Code Camp. It's a free curriculum, and this is like my day number 7 learning. But that's cool. More backend stuff. I'm gonna go through the entire thing. So yeah, let me show you what the thing includes, right? Yeah, so I've done these things for HTML, CSS, whatever. Gonna go through and build all these projects. Once that is done, I'm then gonna go into the JavaScript stuff. I'm basically gonna go through the entire thing and yeah, learn it. The backend stuff doesn't come until later, maybe. That's all front end APIs. Yeah, okay, like we got Mongo database and things like that. So I don't know, maybe 2 months from now, 3 months from now, I'll get there. But yeah, that's the plan. All right. Okay, that thing is annoying. How to hide the arrows? Okay, we'll come back to that. Nowadays, JS also became a mixed language. Full success from Node changed everything. Interesting. Cool. What do you do then? You're a full-time developer? All right. Cool. Freelance engineer. Awesome, man. Awesome. That's awesome. Freelance stuff. Yeah, I'm trying to get into that kind of field. Hopefully, in like 6 months, maybe do some freelance work. That's awesome. Okay. Got the age. We want to say optional. Close. Alright, it'll probably help if I do that. Okay. Oh wow, okay, this is a drop down. Yeah, okay, we'll worry about that later. How do you get a drop down? Drop down field. Select, right? That would do it. I should do it. Input type equals select. And that would be a closed input. No, it's not. Type equals select doesn't exist. Oh wait, it's not input field, it's a select field. Maybe. It did something. Okay, what were done wrong? Okay. Input, maybe type equals drop down. We don't need options. Nope. That is not the right answer. Just take a project, it doesn't matter whether. Man, see, you messaged me 2 minutes ago and I'm just seeing it. Because I needed to ping me. Alright. If it's electronics or desktop, so even I don't know how I spend mine by trying to learn everything, make myself sucks and everything. Gotcha. Cool, man, that's awesome. Taking a project at a time. Yeah, something that I am trying to build out. So I'm also kind of involved in this thing currently. Okay. And yes, on the booking page, I currently use Calendly, but it doesn't have the functionality to like. Basically, if you select, there'll be 3 options, and then if you select option A, it'll give you a series of questions. If you select option B, then you're shown different series of questions. That'll be a project I want to build out after I'm done, like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Yeah, that's something on my list too. I want to build out. That'd be cool. Although this drop down thing isn't working. Try yourself. Oh, there you go. Select. So you got select IDs with multiple options. That is not. Where are we? Okay, cool. Select name ice cream option values. Yeah, I'm just gonna. Okay, I'm just gonna copy the entire thing. Thanks for sending that through, because yeah. Okay, let's see what that does. Okay. Name equals that. And then you added options. Okay, options being the individual things. Okay. Alright, awesome. Awesome, man. Alright, okay. So I guess the name would be current role. The values is going to be student, full-time job, full-time learner. Full-time job. Man, appreciate it. Thanks for hanging out and doing the code. Name is used to variable to send us modern values. Depends on which value input. Okay. Wait, hang on. Name is used to the variable, and then just and the values are okay. So current row, and then the values would be which one. So current row, or not chocolate, obviously, like student. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. Full-time job. This would be full-time. I think it was student. Was it student? Learner. Prefer not to say other. Okay. All right. Let's see. Oh man, that's so cool. So I didn't need to enter drop down or anything. I just had to do options, and it's the select thing that did it. Yeah. Okay. Cool. Okay. Let's look at these stories. Validation. I'm gonna look at that at the end. Minimum, maximum attributes, numbers. Okay. Placeholder. All right. Yeah. I guess we can do that now. Placeholder equals. Yep. Cool. Okay, that's gonna be enter your name. So if you select name as first name, option value Omar Guy 1, option Pratik, streamer, So whenever user selects guy1, first name variable became Omar. Whenever select streamer, first name variable becomes Pratik. Ah, okay. I'm actually gonna put that on the page and see what that looks like. Okay, what did I miss? Oh, maybe it's it's because I don't have a selecting for the top one. Okay, guy1 streamer. So whenever a user selects guy1, the first name variable became Omar, and then it selects streamer. Okay, right. Okay, so whatever you input here, the name is just a variable, and then this becomes okay. Cool, got it. Awesome, man. Yeah, it'll be interesting to know how all of this is gonna play out once I start building the backend stuff. Because right now, I don't think it's gonna store anywhere because I can enter and how to submit. So figuring out how that goes into a database, and I'm sure I'll get to that at some point. But it'll be interesting to see how those variables play out. But yeah, that's cool. In the background, I was talking about brother. One simple thing is see at time. Use selected at the end of options. So, man, sorry, I don't understand. One simple thing is you have time. The use selected at the end of the option parts. For example, option value almost selected. End of one of my options. Time. Oh, so it's automatically selected. Right, because this one isn't nothing selected, right? Oh yeah, I didn't think of that. What option describes your best camera? I also need to give a name. Whoa. If I type in first of all, why is this not showing up on the page? Oh, there's two selects, that's why. Nope. So this is interesting. So maybe it doesn't give you the options. So it's got to put a p tag, maybe. And then the select comes underneath. I don't want it to be selected. Not selected. Yeah. Default option is blank. Oh, okay. Interesting. Just an option. Okay. Interesting. Okay, now that is cool. And I want it to be, if I do, that's gonna add that whatever on it, right? Yeah, that's not what I want. But if I add a placeholder to it, I guess that would work. Can I do a placeholder? I don't even know if that's possible. Nope. Disabled selected value. Select an option. Disabled selected value. Select an option will be displayed. If you choose an option, you will not be able to. Yeah, interesting. Let's copy that. This one. But we also have text and email part as required. Okay. Text and email. So I've got it required. And I need to disable it. Is that what you're saying? Or I haven't got it and I need to make it required. Wait, let's see. Did that? Oh, look at that. That worked. But I don't want. Let's see what it looks like. No, it is. It is. That's cool. So it will be select current role. So that's how you do it. Because you put. Oh, so let's say if I did selected, like you said earlier, and I just went. Oh yeah, you're right. Okay, I see what you mean. It gets automatically selected. Cool. And then disable selected was gonna, okay. So required. Input required. How do I do that? Oh, I just put required. Okay. Yeah, that's awesome, man. Yeah, definitely need email. Otherwise, you can't submit a form. So that one is required. What else we require? Name and name. Right. Yeah. Gonna have some anonymous emails otherwise. Cool. Yeah. Boom. Required. Age is optional. Current role. Nice. Okay. What else we got? Got some radio buttons. Okay. Man, this is me. I'm just googling everything. I don't know how to put that. Radio buttons, HTML. There we go. Input type radio. Oh, okay. Because you say age optional, right? Yeah. Age was optional, so we can leave that optional. Okay. All right. Input type is radio. That's what we need to do. So I don't need to do all that craziness with the P's. Input type equals radio. And no, that's dumb. No, let's go back. So in here, we put the input type equals radio. And let's copy that a bunch of times. What we got? Definitely, maybe, not sure. TLY. Not sure. And then if I do required, wait, what's it doing now? Right, see if that works here. Oh no, sorry, not required, I mean selected. No, it doesn't. Input types. Input radio selected. Checked. Interesting. Boom. Oh man, we're learning stuff today. Okay. Definitely, maybe, sure. And then we, oh, okay, got the same thing again. So, right, select an option. Challenges, projects, community, open source. Community, yeah, okay. And it's gonna be select an option. Because radio and checkbox same. That is checked. Okay, checkbox. Right. The only difference, the checkbox thing is you can select more than one, but radio you can select. Oh yeah. Okay, I think we got some checkbox coming up soon here. Right. Okay, and then if I select checked, some of these will be checked. Okay. Awesome. What we're done. Boom. Yep. Okay, checkbox is next. Let's copy the thing. What's this div for? Yeah, whatever, we'll leave it inside here for now. Bum. So this is going to be input. Type equals checkbox. Yeah, look at, where we want. Right, let's copy, paste a bunch of those. videos. Yep. Just copy that a bunch of times. All right, how we looking? Cool. Let's save. And then we got a comment box. That's interesting. How'd you get a comment box? Comment box. Text area. Okay. Hey, okay, cool. Dun, dun, dun, dun, dun, dun. Enter your comment here, www. I guess that's a placeholder. Or is it? Yep. You forgot the ID and ID name and value. Oh yeah, yes. Thanks. What do we need? Value, student ID. Checkbox. So I never give it a name like that. Type the checkbox. So name is that, and then value is also that, maybe in the checkbox. Right, that's how we would do it, right? So name and the value would be the same. Or because this one, there's different values, but the name was that. So I guess I could just. No, yeah, you're right. That would not be the name because name is. What is name? Favorite feature. How would I wrap all of that around a feature? Around a div. Probably gave it in the assignment. Yeah. Okay, let's see. IDs drop down, yeah, we need to add that in there. Each group should be grouped using the name attribute. Okay. Each must have a value attribute. Yeah, it doesn't specify which one is it. Alright, for now I'm just gonna put this. We'll come back to the name in a bit. City meetups. Okay. Alright. I can run this little thing and see how many tests pass. Passed 8 out of 17 without even trying to, which is awesome. I don't know. Do I have to manually enter? Yeah, that's a question, man. Do I need to manually do the BR thing every time, like that? I guess, right? That's the only way. So I'm gonna automatically. Definitely, maybe. Let's Google it. So, radio buttons on different nights. Didn't work for me. Maybe there's some CSS to do that. Can I see your drop down part? Yep. This part, yeah. Or this part. Do you want his IDs drop down? Oh, here like that. ID codes drop down. Still failed. Interesting. Or do they want in each and every single one of them? They want to drop down or something like that. Check assignments for sure. Yeah, there's a bunch of drop downs there. Yeah, I'm thinking of getting the design ready and then we'll go back and run through each of the stories. How to organize radio buttons in different nights. BR is the only way I know. Current row is fine, definitely maybe. Okay, boom. Now what is the name on the right? Input. Okay, it doesn't do that here. It goes. Use L. Okay, list items. Right. That's for the first name. Oh, I need a label. I can't just put. So I just put name in here. I don't think I even need a closing input tag, do I? Yeah, I don't. Input doesn't need a close tag. Okay, interesting. So, label. Name. Yeah, okay. Interesting. So you said use LLF checkbox. Okay. Alright, let's quickly finish this off and then we'll go to checkbox. What happened here? Type is H. What the hell? I don't even have an input. How does that work? Alright. Label H optional. Oh, they have a different line too. So it's a BR here. Email, what do I have email twice? That needs to go away. Alright, it's looking better. Enter email in age. So we need some placeholders. Oh, wrong place, wrong place. Alright, okay, so that is. I just need to figure out how to get rid of these arrows, man. Okay, checkbox. We were adding some L and LI, so instead of BR. I don't need, I think. Oh, you mean these things? I mean, I removed everything, right? Okay, yeah. List items. Crap. Can I command Z that? Right, yeah, that's what it looks like now, before the list items. Okay, so we good? We don't need the list items? Right, okay. Cool. Nah, man, you know more than me. Definitely, I'm here like trying to figure out what a list item means. Right, awesome. Yeah, that works, that works. Okay, we need this background. That's CSS stuff. Hey, look, we forgot the button, man. Okay. How do you add a button? I think button, just button. Yep. Submit. Submit? Nope. Submit. This button self-closing or no? Nope, it does need a thing. Hey, at least you tried to submit something. Submit, yeah. Submit. We want submit. Alright. Okay, yeah, let's go through the user stories, get those handled, and then we'll do the design CSS after that. Close, close, close. Oh, crap. Story number 1. I can see the title with the ID title, which I have added, although it needs to be small letters. User story 1 is good. I can see a short explanation with ID description in the P-size text. A short explanation. Yeah, I think that was good. I can see a form with the ID survey-form, which is also good. ID equals name. ID is email. Yep. I mean, input type equals submit. Oh, okay. Button and submit is different. Okay, I guess every single button doesn't need to be a submit button. Oh, okay, interesting. Right, okay, cool. Submit. Value equals submit. Why is this green? Oh, I don't need that. Oh, there's no equals. Oh. Got it. And input is not needed. Input is not needed. It is not needed. Okay. Oh yeah. We man, we put the label thing like 5 minutes ago. Yeah. So we need a label thing, something like that, and then the input field goes. And it was. Oh crap! I don't need it. I don't need a label. It's just a button. Don't need that. You got lots of inputs. Yes, I do. You're right. Just delete. All that I can go. I think that's everything. Okay, cool. We were close, man. Alright, so where were we? We were looking at ID's name, ID email, yep. If I enter an email that is not formatted correctly, I will see an HTML5 validation error. Nice try. Critique. Maybe. Community front end. I'm gonna submit, but it's not giving me any errors. Alright, how do we make it good? HTML5 validation error for email. Client side validation. HTML form validation. Whoa. Yes. That's what I want. Required. I gotta do a script for that? I don't want to do a script. Built-in form validation required. Okay, we've done the required, right? Yep. So requires in there. Minimum, maximum length, type. Type is email. So that's going to require some JavaScript. Don't forget all your forms need to be within the form tag. So that's one form. Oh, so I need another form for. Maybe I can just add this at the end, right? Like here somewhere. If you've got your form, you close form too early. Right, so if I close it right at the end, now I'll try. Alright. Oh, 1, 2, 3. Open source, hello. Ah, okay, that makes sense. Oh man, see, I would have spent hours looking into how to validate. Man, that's such a big help. Cool, thanks. All right, this is awesome, man. Okay, HTML5 validation. I'm guessing that's now okay. In the form I can enter. Okay, let's make that right. ID equals number. If I enter non-numbers, I will see it. Okay, maybe that's also already there. I mean, I can't enter anything else. So even this doesn't allow letters, so okay. I suggest you fix your divs because now it looks a little mixed. My divs. Yeah, I don't know what's going on here. Okay, divs. Oh, okay. Maybe I'll put each of these within div. Open a new div for this. Oh. Use VS Code. Yeah, it's so I'm using this for now because that's what they need. So once I build, I have to submit the CodePen link for this course. But yeah, for my personal stuff, I use VS Code for autocomplete and formatting. Okay, all right. What's it doing now? Div. So another div. Okay, I think I've got everything inside divs now. Yep. Okay. Where were we? Yeah, this one I'm not sure. Let's put it in here for now. If I enter numbers outside the range of them, which I define by minimum max, obviously need to. Okay, so we need a minimum and maximum for the age. How do I add min max? Oh, it's just minimum that. Okay, got it. So, guess the minimum you want to be is, I don't know, 14, maybe 16 to 85. You done that one, not a label, but an input tag. Oh, yep. Yep. Good point. Good spot. Thanks. Right. Because that would definitely not work. See, gmail.com. I need to get rid of this number. Okay, let's say 99. Boom. That's cool. Alright, story number 8 is good. Story number 9, event number, that's also good. For name, email number, into the fields inside the form, I can see a corresponding label to describe the purpose. ID, name, hyphen, label. Okay, they want it like that. Label. Placeholder text. 1, 2. Okay, I don't have a placeholder for H. Attic. Yeah, it's from Nepal. Yeah, I'll type it in. I don't know if you know that. It's closer to India, but it's from Nepal. It's the root. Yeah, there's loads of Nepalese in India and Nepal. So yeah, very common name. So inside the form element, I can see the option from a drop down that has an ID of drop down right. So this is the question, right? Do I put that in every single option? I don't know. Let's see, right? So one of these tests. Oh wow, 4 of 17. 4 of 17. I thought I'd done like at least 10. What the heck? So maybe this thing needs to go in the label and not. Yeah, there you go. At least one of them passed. That's cool. Line option button selection needs ID. Okay. Okay, so select. So here, right? ID is dropped down. So this should now be 6. Yeah, boom. Alright, we're getting close. I mean, 12, but okay. Inside the form element, I can select a field. Each group should be grouped using the name attribute. So where's that radio button? One meg radio is one group. One meg radio is one group. Man, I don't know what that means. One meg radio is one group. So make all this radio one group. Name attribute. Name attribute. What's the name attribute? Oh, just name equals something. Yeah, it's just name. Okay. So what, like name? I don't know, man. Recommendation. Nope. Oh, I use the same name for each radio. Okay, yeah. That's what I did, right? Recommend. So the format I can see, I can select um, it shows error for min max part. Yeah, okay, let's go from through the top, right? No, for inside the format I'm required to enter my name, ID name. If I do not enter a name, I will see HTML file validation error. There should be an input text field with ID equals name, which I'm pretty sure we do. Type is text, ID equals name. No, we don't. Okay, that one passed. Fair enough. Inside the element, I'm recording an email with ID equals email. Oh man. Oh man. And we're probably gonna need the same thing for number. Oh, look at that. Went from also forgetting. Oh, by the way, I might be wrong, but labels. Do they really need any ID? I don't know. Yeah, I think they do because there's these ones. So it's passing because of that. So story number 10, right? For the name, email, number input fields inside the form, I see a corresponding labels that describe the purpose with the IDs. So I think they just want to end there. I don't know why they want to end there. I checked. No, they might get 4 equals. What do you mean, get 4 equals? Oh, I saw, man. Thanks for the follow. I just see you followed me 7 minutes ago. Appreciate that, man. Um, 4 equals. Yeah. Like if you input ID equals label equals. Oh, label 4 equals. Oh, 4 equals. So this needs to be 4, huh? Let's see. Right, that's what I mean. Let's run the test. Yeah, it doesn't like it. They want me to put IDs. I don't know why. Four equals part. The what? Four equals part. I'll fix that part. Like it needs a space. Oh, you want me to put name? Yeah, so I'm putting name hyphen label because they want me to put that in. So yeah, you see what I mean? So all right. So maybe just four equals name is how you're meant to do it, and then they want an ID with that, right? Because then that way, right? Yeah, yeah, exactly. Boom. Yeah, right. Because in this, so this is going to be for the value, um, right? And then okay, and that's yep. Full equals email. Number and then ID equals that. Okay. Cool. 13 of 17. Boom. All right. Inside the form, I can select a favorite one or other. Each group, most people using the same attribute. Each radio button must have a value attribute. Okay. Okay, so we didn't have the value, I guess. I suppose what is failing. Oh, correct. And any fields and spaces between min and max. Spaces between min and max. That was on the number, right? Oh, like that? Maybe here too, right? All these spaces. Alright, let's run these tests. And type. "13 of 17 still didn't pass." Okay. Inside the survey form. Oh, so they don't want us to be splitting. Well, no, actually, everything is within this form. Yeah, types radio. So it's not reading the radio buttons. Why? Survey. Did I misspell it? Did I misspell it? Survey. Survey. Where else have I misspelled? Oh. ID recommend. Oh, you mean oh. Yeah, it could be. No, I'm still not doing it. But you can read. You can read this. Yeah, I can make it big, man. Yeah, I'm not exactly sure what's happening. Inside the form element, I can select a field from one or more groups of radio buttons. Each group should be grouped using the same attribute. Apparently, it's only finding. It's only finding. It's not finding anything, which is weird because we have. Apparently, it's not even finding any of the checkboxes. Maybe there's a bug with it because it definitely exists. It definitely exists, right? Oh crap! Oh man, did I lose my? Did I lose my stuff? Dude, did I lose all the work? Oh man, if I didn't save. Please tell me that's not it. Okay. Did you enter value part in checkbox? Well, yeah, this is what I did. Okay. Why does it not like? Each group should be grouped using the same name attribute. So we give it value, give it a name, type. Maybe just it actually needs the name and not. I mean that doesn't make sense. I couldn't that part too small for me. This part, right? You're talking about. Man, I can copy paste it. I think I'll lose the formatting, but oh wow. Paste that in there. Yeah, that's not good. I'm just gonna make it big. That doesn't work. So apparently it's only seeing. It's not seeing anything. It should be 2, but it's not seeing anything. Which doesn't make sense to me because we definitely have 2. It's probably something really dumb like. Maybe it just needs like an ID or something. The text area is not inside the form element, but it is within the form element right here. Okay. I think it's just not liking the. It's not reading the form. Oh, do you know what? Yeah. It's just because it's because of this. I think that's it anyway. Let's see, right? Nope. God damn it. Okay. Form. Name attribute. Name attribute. What was the attribute name for checkbox? Checkboxes. I don't think it gave it any type. Nothing, right? Checkbox, something like that. It's correct. Okay. Let's delete. Dun, dun, dun. Okay, I mean, I moved the form within the div tag. Maybe there's an additional div that's not needed. Save that. Oh, do you think this is it? This div is closing before the form thing closes, and that's messing everything up. What do you think? Maybe. I'm just gonna get rid of all the divs and see what it does. Alright. You are all gone. Right. There, just run the test now. Oh, hey, something passed. I'm in 15. Okay, yeah, that was it. That was the grouping thing and the checkbox. It was the flipping div. One more div. Okay. Cool. Nice. Nice. Alright, awesome. But there's one more div. I think we've got everything removed now. Alright. Inside the form element, I'm presenting the text area. Oh, this div here. Okay, got it. Yeah, one more, man. Okay, what's the what's the last one? Button with ID equals submit. Button with ID equals submit. Value equals submit. ID equals. Okay, that should be it. We did it, man. We did it. 17 out of 17. Here we go. All right, nice. That's nice. Okay. Wow, that took way too long. I thought it would take like half an hour. We've been at it almost 2 hours. But okay, that's cool. So all the user story stuff is good. Now I just need to make it look pretty. Need to make it look pretty. Okay, what does it look like? So we've got this entire thing. I guess we could do class for ID equals boxed. ID and hashtag. Nope, that didn't work. Border style. Border solid. Need a solid. And I need. Oh, that's not what I want. That is not what I want. I want it in here. By the way, Robert Clever, follow me. Yep, I'll follow you right now. Omar, how do I grab your thing? Accept friend requests. Okay. How do I follow? Oh, there it is. Boom, let's check it out, man. I haven't actually see what we do.
Merhaba arkadaşlar.
Oh man, you're not speaking English.
Uzun bir aradan sonra geri döndük bakalım.
What
Herhalde
language?
deneyeceğiz.
What language is that? It was just a try stream. Okay. Let me pause my music.
Ses çalışıyor mu falan henüz hiçbir şey bilgim yok. Bir test edeceğiz. Sergen gelsin.
Stream elements. Nice. Turkish. All right, nice. Or sometimes do something similar thing like you as but with Python and Django. Okay, cool, man. Yeah.
Oo, hoş geldin Sergen.
Python, Django. Is that on
Sesi
like
falan test edelim seninle hızlıca.
Sergen German? Is that your friend? Oh,
Ses çok
nice.
mu kısık çünkü biraz düşükte benim. İstersen biraz yükseltebilirim.
Let's see. Gonna see what you're coding. Do you actually code or is it all tests?
Beceriksizliğim üstümde. Ben şu ikinci monitörden birinci monitöre geç. Tamam.
Donation for
Şimdi nasıl?
nothing. Okay. It... Ooh, what game is that?
Gıcık oldum.
Oh man, yours always already looks so professional. You got all these things added in.
İkinci monitörüm.
What software is this?
920 kaç?
Stream setup. Right. What did you use? Did you use OBS?
Beyefendi birazcık daha arttırırsak 1468.
Streamlabs. Okay.
Scaling %100. Tamam. 720'ye bak.
What's this? BuyNoGame.com.
720'den kaç yapalım? Hı. Kötü durmadı şimdi. Şimdi büyütmemiz gerekecek bunu.
Interesting. All right, awesome, man. Yeah, when you go live, I'll definitely check out. It's like a donate thing in Turkey, like PayPal. Ah, okay. Cool. Yeah, Django and Python. I don't think. I don't think VCodecam has Python. JavaScript. Oh, here you go, Python. All right, so I'll be doing Python at some point, I guess. Trying to do it so simple that anyone who never used Python will understand. Yeah, I'll jump on. I'll take a look at the streams. So I'll be doing this stuff soon. Cool, man. Yeah, for sure. You love Python because it's very so nice. All right, nice. Python functions. What is program? Oh man. Okay. All right. Okay, we got lots to do. Cool. Okay, we got the box. We want to give it some padding, I guess. Nope. Yeah, yeah. Okay, that'll do. Also, I want it to be in the middle, so margin. Oh, crap. Okay, I don't want any top. So simple. I'll come back in 5 minutes. Yeah, yeah, I get it. Cool, man. Enjoy. I'm just gonna build some CSS on this. Yep, Red Bulls, man, all day long. Do, do, do. Um, line content, maybe. Dum, dum, dum. Oh, spelled it wrong. That's probably why. Line text. text align center. It's not align text, it's text align. Here we go. There we go. That's what we need. That's what we need. Description. Boom, boom. Some Chris, man. Oh, body, body, body. Not background, it's body. Oh, look how ugly that is, man. What color should we give it? Like purple, right? That looks cool. No, no, no, no, no. What is going on, man? All right. Um, Beautiful forms you can steal. Here we go. Nope, nope, nope. That is not what I want. That is pretty cool. So actually, this is simple. No colors. Although, dum, dum, dum. That color's nice, actually. It's not a gradient.
Folks, listen.
Opacity. How do you add opacity? Background. Came back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Hope the fresh air was good, man. Background color black, transparent. What we doing now? We're making the form look pretty. So I've added some background color. I'm trying to make this transparent like this, and yeah, I need to figure out how to make this thing to fit the entire width instead of the default. This looks really ugly. I can give you a treasure if I can quit this shit. Okay, sure. Oh right. Oh yeah, man. That's I've never really smoked, but I know people who smoke, and it's you know what it is, man. I don't need to say it. All right, how do I add a basic opacity to this? Oh, opacity 0.5. That's easy. But that's gonna make the entire thing opaque. That isn't what I want. Oh yeah, we're going to do this. Boom, boom, boom, boom. There we go. But that does not look good. That just looks. Maybe like a 1.8 opacity or something. Oh wow. Yeah, looks. Stands out. Border color. Okay, that's not it. Border colors probably should be white. Yeah, that's looking better, huh? Tracing blur, filter blur, for 5 pixels. Oh wow. Okay, for the background you mean, right? Yeah. Okay. All right. Background blur, maybe. Maybe. Background filter. Hmm. I'm not sure if that's doing anything. Filter. I put filter. Um. Yeah. Can we leave enough? Okay. Input. Maybe just width. Width 100%. Um. ID hashtag name with yeah. All right, so don't want to do it individually. If I just do that doesn't work. Oh, yeah, I guess just do it. Move on. Email number. Why is it not working for number? It's not working for email either. Oh, because I'm not missing the hashtag. Okay. I am missing the hashtag. Um, yeah, I also want to kind of add like a margin. Temperature is too high. Maybe no margin. Margin. Padding. Doesn't do anything. Oh, because of this. Whoa. Oh crap. Yeah, maybe margin. Wait, 10. Doesn't align directly underneath it though, which is weird. Let's I guess go to margin top. Yeah. So top 0, maybe 10, 0. Oh. Yeah, that looks much better. Also, H needs to be capital. Did I mention you hate the CSS thing? No, but that's good to know, man. Yeah, it does look a little bit complicated, huh? A little bit. I've been saying that too much. Also, it's almost 4 o'clock. Probably should sleep soon. I'm just gonna make this thing look a little bit pretty and then, yeah, go to sleep. Age. Where's the age placeholder? Oh, Turkey. What time is in Turkey now? Man, it's like 6 a.m. for you. Why are you still up? It's 4 a.m. for me. Like, you're really up. What you mean? True, true. Thanks for the support, man. Oh, that's hilarious. All right. Age never changed. The hell. Okay, select row. Um, okay, that also has to be select. Not only is a team of people watching, but not writing. Yeah, I don't know who those people are. I think they're bots, you know. I know one of them is a bot. LURXX. It was there last time too. This thing.
This is bigger than anyone realizes.
How did Nazis get into the States?
This is the greatest mask in
Yeah, that one is always there, but the rest I don't know. I think there's one more person, real person. Flershin, who's that? Yeah, that is a bot. Looks like you have a stalker. Yeah, man, maybe. That's funny. Right, close, close, close. Um, what are we doing? Oh yeah, I was trying to find that. Select current row. Drop down, drop down. Yeah, drop down. Yeah. Black, white. Okay. Yeah, I think we're gonna have to give it some padding because it's looking very plain. Yeah, okay. That's better. And the margin on the right probably needs to be so top. Chip margin or is it padding? Um, okay, that is not what I want. I think this is what's messing it up. Margin for the box. Padding. Oh, look at that. Oh wow. Do you do all that separately? Couldn't you just do by adding the whole and you do make the div CSS to this entire thing? Um, yeah, I think yeah. Okay, let's see right. Div ID equals entire maybe. So you add comments. Something like that. I honestly don't know, man. Probably is a way, you're right. Instead of manually doing one, although it's not doing anything. Why is it not doing anything? Entire is what I gave it the name. ID equals entire. Oh, look at that. Oh, wow, that is. That is bad. Maybe you forgot closing. Yeah, it's all the way here. What's that? That's for the box. Okay, it is doing something. Why do I even need 100%? But it's not affecting the elements inside it, right? Then it's not working. You need to learn. Right. Okay. But there has to be a way to make it work. Instead of manually selecting each of these, so maybe the form. Maybe if I do the form, because everything is inside a form. There it is. Oh, oh, kind of. So it's affecting everything, but it's not doing the individual. Yeah, maybe it does. Although like this solved that problem was I was trying to solve the right hand side thing. So that's good. Oh wow, look at that. It maintains the 100%. It doesn't do that here. It stays. Oh, that looks so much better than. Still CSS. um, yeah, I don't technically need the CSS for it, but I just want to learn. But I guess we could just do it. I don't think I've got the CSS for this, do I? Oh no, yeah, if I change the view. Oh, just press F to open this sign. Oh, like here, right? So they got oh wow, look at that. Go header section, form. It's interesting how they put it in everything in different lines. Disable selected value. So interesting how they do the label thing. This thing just strange. Before and after border box. Mobile friendly. Input button, select text area. Yeah, it's code mode. Yeah, man, this is what the hell. Wow. We're gonna have another 4 hours trying to just figure out what they've done. I like how they done that. The input button, select text area. I don't know, maybe we can do that. Instead of survey form. And that was good. Oh, look at that. That's it. By adding a comma, you can get more than one element at a time. Right. But that did it, right? It affected all of it with that. Oh no. Mess up this one. Alright. Select can go away. Maybe. That's not good, man. That is not good. Crash. Crash. Hey, what's up, Crash? I thought that was Omar. Welcome, welcome. By the way, you forget labels and radio and checkboxes. Um, labels and radio and checkboxes. Yeah. You learning the code. Yeah, man. Learning the code. Yeah, I'm doing the free code camp curriculum and going through this. So this is like video number 7, so probably 8 hours of learning so far. Label. And then add labels and radio checkboxes. Yeah, I'm still not sure why we need the labels. Label equals. Don't know. Labels equals radio. Input. Oh, this would be recommendation, right? I mean inside, not as a tag. Oh, you mean this, huh? Okay. Right, okay. Label. Man, this is 4 a.m. in the morning. My brain's dead. Label, label, label. What did we do last time? Oh, yeah. This doesn't need to be. Definitely. It's gonna be maybe. Not sure. And then if we add the breaks here, that should fix it. I think. But it needs to go to the left. So okay. Okay. It's looking better. Labels can help you separate text from the input when coding this more than one way to get the same result. Right. Okay. Separate the text from the input. Okay. Hmm. Yeah, cool. Nice to meet you, man. Thanks for hanging out. I'll see you next time. Have you done the display attribute yet? I kind of did like a couple days ago, but I haven't played around with it. Thanks, man. Yeah, I'll catch you in your streams as well. Take care. Have a great day. Display attribute. Um, block inline. Maybe later, man. Bye. Block inline. Maybe block, huh? Because in different blocks. I'm just grasping at straws here, but maybe. Um, I don't know. Okay, that did something. I don't know what it did. You added gaps between the stuff, which is cool. Not really what I was looking for there. Use inline block. Inline didn't do much. Nope. Maybe I'm selecting the wrong area of it. Title description. Um, dun, dun, dun. Yeah, basically, I'm trying to get this thing to come down here, right? So one of these is messing it up. Input, I'm guessing it's the inputs. Yeah. So I probably need to like override this. Wait, what happened? I am not sure what's going on. Type is radio. So the only thing I know is you can add IDs to it. Let's see, right? That didn't do much. The inline, let's put a block. That did something. Get rid of the VR. That's why it looks like it's down. All right. Okay. Well, that's good to know. I didn't need the BR because it still broke it down to a different line. But there we go. Okay. But if I add the width, and then that's what messes it up. Okay. Right. Let's try this bit on a label now. Oh man, I missed. Did I change the setting? Try inline block on label. Can I just do label? Put this down. Okay, that is not working. I mean, it's this width thing, right? That's messing it up. So when that, hang on, that didn't work. Inline block, maybe just block. Set post position to relative. Yeah, okay. Yeah, any other ideas, man? Oh wow, it's so streamed for 2 hours too. Bum, bum, bum. Okay, so I know the width is messing it up, right? So I guess I could set it to that, and then individually set the width for these. I mean, that'll fix the problem for now, but the overall thing, I'm not sure. So that's got to be for enter your name. Email label. Okay, why is that not working? Because of this. That doesn't make sense. Maybe it's that important. Oh, you have Discord. No, I don't. Discord. I do not. Right, you could talk on Discord, right? Maybe I should get a Discord. Oh, I got Slack, but not Discord. Oh, maybe. No, that doesn't do anything. Can I explain? Yeah, I would have to download Discord, man. I don't have Discord. Uh, okay, can you close all that? Yeah, I'm gonna. So I've got. Yeah, for next stream, I'm gonna download Discord and then we can do that too. Notes, questions to do. Discord. All right. Okay. Maybe this thing is messing up. No, it's not. So why is this not working? Oh, dude, I'm using the label tag. It's should be name. There we go. Yeah, cool. That would do it. And then also gotta add the select current row, which should be that. That's a name. Don't know. Let's see. What? Okay. That doesn't like it. So maybe I need to give it a ID. Yep, that will do it. Oh, that's that one. That's not current row. That is feature. And that one is gonna go into okay. Oh, it's got an ID ready. Drop down. Gotcha. That works. That works. Okay, so that works. Although this doesn't go all the way to here, which doesn't make sense. Okay. All right. I need to get rid of this up and down arrow. Remove arrow from number HTML. Oh, I can. Yeah. Okay. It's got to use CSS. There you go. Number's gone. That's cool. What else we got to do? I also want to make this the entire width. Placeholder, text area. An ID for that. Okay, that looks good. Yeah, in general, it fits the purpose, but right now, this thing is ugly, man. Look at that. That's completely different to how. Submit button fits the entire thing. mean, so that was nice. If you want to change the background, just do body background color. As long as that's as you want it, it's fine. Right, yeah. So basically there's like 17 different user stories, all these ones. So functionality wise, I think it's good on the front end at least. Obviously it's not connect, it doesn't collect the data or anything like that. Styling wise, the only thing that's weird is so this form, so this section, you see how it stays in the middle, and when I do the sizing thing, it stays constant. But mine, what it does is these fields expand, so they literally get bigger or they get wider. And then right here, you see it just gets crushed and then it overlaps. But this thing does that. So I think it needs some kind of media queries or something. Yeah, I think something like that. Body background. So the body background code you pasted, I've got that here, right? That's in CodePen, right? Yeah, it's in CodePen. I think I can share this with you. Can I see that one? Let me switch to my laptop so I can see better. All right, yeah, sounds good, man. Sounds good to me. And okay, wait. But you pasted the same thing. Is that for you, for yourself? Right. Yeah. Thought so. One fix we can do is minimum width. Okay, and I would apply that to the entire. Let's see. I think box, right? Four 797. Hey, what's up, man? I'm learning to code and going through free code cam the thing, and right now I'm just trying to like learn how CSS works. Um, yeah, so this thing elongates like that. You don't want it to not do that, basically. Um, the other one has a media query. Yeah, so without using media query, see if we can do that. Set it to box. Set it box at around 450. Oh man, it's min width and max width. It won't act the same. Okay. So min width, I don't know. I'm just gonna put some numbers, see what it does. All right, 20 pixels. 20 is too little. Oh, okay. That okay. He doesn't want any code any smaller. That is also true. So this can go. Okay. Oh, misspelled. I think it's doing something. Whoa. Set box around 450, 500 pixels. Let's go 500. Yeah, okay, that's definitely better. You see how it stretches? Like, I don't want it to stretch. How do you stop stretching? Maybe that's the max width thing. Oh no. Right, so the minimum it can okay, I think that makes sense, right? So the minimum it can have is this 500 pixels, it's not going to go lower than that. And the maximum it can have maybe also 500. So it stays that. Nope. Oh, right? That logic makes sense. Okay, yeah, that works. That works. So minimum doesn't shrink, maximum stays the same, so it doesn't stretch. Now I just need to for it to stay fixed, which I think you said earlier, position something. Someone said position relative. Exactly right. Yeah, that makes a lot of sense now. Awesome, man. That doesn't work. I think here's where I'm going to do the display stuff. Relative or something. Nope. Um, oh, maybe just the align thing. Maybe just this. Nope. That is a no. What can we do? That's text align. You can do a position relative left 50. Whoa. Okay, what is okay? Um okay, that does work, so we need to okay, so about 30%. Okay, so that works. But I don't know. Still not quite. It still moves a little bit. Position relative left. Transform. Maybe it's this margin's messing up. Yeah, okay, cool. Man, that works beautifully. But why does this work? Right. So minimum, maximum, that makes sense. Position is relative. Okay. Left is 50%. What's left? Translate x minus 50%. Okay, position. Static relative. I'm just. The element is positioned relative to its normal position. So left 20 pixels adds 20 pixels to the element's left position. Ah, okay. Then transform, translate x. Relative allows it to move freely out code error. Cut freely out of the code order. Left 50% means 50% out of the browser window. Okay. Okay. And then you got what's the other one? So that's basically counteracting that. All right, so you're moving it 50% and then you're translating it again negative 50%, so bringing it back to where it is on the x-axis. Right. Okay. Translate x. Yeah, counter axis position. Awesome. Is there a way we can just avoid doing that, or is that something we have to do? So if I just have like 10%, no, but then because it moves, man. Okay. Yeah, to make it fixed, it has to be You can also do margin 0 auto. Margin 0 auto. How do I comment this out? Okay, that seems like a simpler thing. Position relative. That's good to know though, with the position relative and then the transform thing. I'm used to doing it that way. Right, yeah. I mean, yeah, there's like thousands way to implement, which is pretty sick. Force of habit. So what projects do you do where it requires you to do translate and relative margin 0 auto? When it says for both object minor to the object, it will sit centrally, okay, but why? Specifying auto as a second parameter basically tells the browser to automatically determine the left and right itself, which it does by setting them equally. It guarantees that the left and right will be the same size. The parameter 0 indicates the top and bottom. Ah, okay. That's a neat little trick, man. Have a look at this JS fiddle. What's the JS fiddle? Right, okay, so you basically said 0, 0, and then can you do percentage in this? So if I did 0, 50%, 0, 50%, would that work? I guess not. Um, yeah, you can. You can. I guess I just need to do 0% maybe? 50%, 0%, 50%. Nope. Okay. I'm not exactly sure why that one doesn't work, but okay. to. I think to do something. Oh yeah. It's Man, I need this thing to ping me every time the message comes. It doesn't ping me. Um, I just realized. I know I put in a different line. The actual design is right next to it. So yeah, that was me trying to make it block when it shouldn't be block. It should have just been inline. You're right the first time. Okay, how do I go back to making it inline? I think they put the label after the radio input. They put the label. I mean they. Ah, right. So switch the position. Also, I don't think I need the BRs anymore. I don't think so anyway. Come on. Wait, am I changing the wrong thing? Uh, mm, yeah, I meant to change these things here. Okay, definitely comes afterwards, and now I've got to do the inline block thing, I guess. Right? How do I do that? Boxed display. Oop. Mm-mm. Nope. Whoa. I think I'm still in the wrong section. Display. Okay, that works. But I don't want it to apply to absolutely everything like that. I guess I would need to add the BRs. After the definitely right. Nice, that works. But wait, why did we need the BRs for radio but not these? Oh no, there is BRs there. Okay, cool. Okay, cool. That looks good. That looks looking good. I'm not sure why this is not lining up with that, even though the setting is 100% for both of those. I mean, it's 100%. Okay. For the most part, though, this is so I spent 3 hours today building this stuff. For the most part, I'm pretty happy with how it's looking. Um, yeah, the only last two things right now is lining this up with that, and lining the buttons up with that, because it is 100%. But submit, yeah, I mean submit, drop down. Um, oh no, no, that breaks it. I noticed you use a lot of IDs and not classes. um, yeah, I don't know why. I think the reason I did it was because the thing just wanted IDs, and then I just wanted IDs everywhere. I think that's why. Yeah, maybe this does not make sense, man. What the heck? That is also interesting. So if I removed with classes are better when you want to start the pages, but IDs are specified individually. You can only have one ID. Right. Okay. So, okay. Yeah. So I think I can actually go ahead and submit this now because it has passed all the tests. Yeah. Um, right. Refresh the page. So the next thing I'm going to be building is a product landing page. Yo, I submitted this. Oh, click submit. Um, right. So I need to build this out. I think probably tomorrow, and I'm gonna try and use classes on this one. What else is there to build? Technical documentation, personal portfolio website. All right, so I'm gonna build something like this. Okay, man, this looks. How would I build this? So I gotta. Oh, whoa, okay. It just scrolls down, right? I thought it was hiding and displaying content, but it's not. It's just. Yeah, okay. One click section ID or something. Yeah, so maybe in these projects I can start playing around with classes, and I need to look into the flex box and all that good stuff too. Oh yeah, let's take notes on that. Discord. There's not questions, man. These are notes. Stunning. What else? There was something else we just talked about. Displays. I know I did it like briefly, but because I did a few days ago and I haven't used it, I've forgotten it. So maybe revisit the um, display. I don't know. Flexbox 2 was cool. Oh yeah, those things. All right. Okay. Yeah, it does the things I want to do, right? So it does that. It doesn't overlap. It's constant in the middle. This thing's still annoying me. Why won't go 100%? Maybe not. Maybe maybe I need to make the things like 90%. So instead of trying to fix those two, I make the other ones less. Right. Oh wow, nope. Nope, nope, nope. That is not what I want to do. That is incorrect thinking. Maybe because current. You want to use PX, EM, or RAM. Okay. PX, EM, or RAM. Pixels. Yeah, you're right. Because five, okay. Because we know the maximum the entire thing can be is 500 pixels, so I can use pixels. All right. Yeah, let's try that. So I don't know, 470 pixels maybe. Oh, I removed the drop down from here. Just No, it still doesn't like it. 470 was okay. See what I mean? It still doesn't like it. I mean, I'm selecting drop down. Show hashtag drop down. That is this ID right here. Right. Alright, let's close that. So if I do that, width, I don't know, like 50 pixels. Yeah, it does. The 470. I mean, I guess I could just make it 490 and make it go that big. Kind of. 495. That's not on the line, is it? It's like 492. Yeah, so that works, but that doesn't make sense why this one requires 493, but these only require 470 because the starting point is the same. Maybe it makes sense to you because I'm missing something. Okay, free code cap. Okay, it's not the survey one. Feature, feature. Wait. Drop down. Was I selecting the wrong thing? Learning for career. I was just interested. A bit of both. Career too, and interested as well. But I want to say 80% career, 20% interest. I'm first going to put on back into high school, so I'm trying to get a career. Okay. So how long have you been coding Crash and Zerai? Prime Gaming. What am I doing wrong? Drop down feature maybe. Yeah, feature. Okay. And we'll text errors kind of thing anyway. The submit. Excuse me. Yeah, let's just add it here. Hey man, that works, right? So now it looks the same width. The button's good. This one's obviously customizable. Wait. Oh no, theirs is fixed width. Okay, so text area. So maybe minimum and maximum width on that again. 419 pixels. Nope. So this one is going to need 470 again. See, I don't understand that. Why? Right, so that works. I've been learning the code since the end of ninth grade now, but I say about a year and a half. Okay. Recently finished as assistant instructor in JavaScript. Keeping at it, love to see someone who's learning the basics and doing it. Awesome. I can say that I confidently understand the code. Also, I'm used to different syntax languages. Right now, I'm getting to JavaScript syntax is killing me. At least in high school, teaching yourself. Man, I'm gonna be going into JavaScript probably in like 3 weeks from now. So gotcha. That's awesome. What about you, Sarai? What's your story? Oh, you just said a JavaScript. Okay. Yeah. Let's see, right? Free code. Yeah, so I've got these 3 things to build up: landing page, technical document, that, and then we'll be jumping into JavaScript stuff, which apparently requires 300 hours. So that's a lot of content on Twitch. Yeah, one thing I don't have is the minimum and maximum width thing. I know HTML, CSS, Java, JavaScript, SAS, PHP, and SQL. Some C# as well. So I took a course on it. Cool. Okay. Are you also doing a free code camp, Zerai? Or are you following a different course? And Crash, that's a lot of. I don't even know what half those things are. SAS? What's a SAS? SAS. CSS. Syntactically awesome style sheets. CSS is superpowers. Damn. Gotta use dollars. Interesting. Crash course. SAS is more like advanced CSS. The only main difference is that you can use variables in SAS. Okay. Man. I'm gonna add that to the thing. Overall, I guess that. main differences, use variables. So if you wanted to give a H3 and P the same color and says, I would just give it a variable, name the variable under each element instead of having to individually change each one. Okay. All right, awesome. I'm taking a course on Udemy, but I did the whole basic HTML section on FreeCodeCamp. But I just prefer videos and reading. Yeah, right. Videos would be nice. I was looking into, oh man, what's it called? App Academy. They got a free version now, right? App Academy Open. Yeah, this one. And apparently, sort of video structured kind of stuff that you can do. Yeah, apparently it's like lectures and stuff. But it's more about Ruby and that I might get into. Well, all right, cool. Thanks for hanging out, guys. It's like 5 a.m. I'm gonna go get some sleep. But thanks, Crash. Appreciate your input. Definitely helped a lot, saved me a lot of time. Um, yeah, hope your learning goes well with the careers and everything. And yeah, probably see you when I stream next. So take care, guys. See you later.